here today to remind ourselves why this matters and what it feels like and how important it is to have good, clean, outside, natural spaces to spend time in. And so that's why this campaign matters so much. It's not about rubbish, it's about restoring pride in place. It's about building healthier communities. And it's about teaching our children that caring for the environment is part of caring for themselves. Respect yourself, respect each other, respect your environment. Thank you.
Roho yangu inamka chini ya jua la milele. Simama, usiogope, mwanga uko mbele. Pita, inuka tena, kupita giza lote. Kwa nguvu ya mioyo yetu hakuna kitakachotuzuia. Utainuka, utainuka kwa sauti moja.